In this video, we're going to show just again a simple test, discrete test. We're using our trigas analyzer and a package that we purchased from the grocery store. We're going to apply a septum to the package film. We'll insert the needle and press the test button. As soon as we hit the test button, we get a blinking display, and the pump will start to run, and now it's drawing in gas from the package and running it through the analyzer. So we have various levels of gas here, a certain amount of CO2, CO, and also oxygen. In this case, it looks like it was packed in a high oxygen environment with some special gas to maintain shelf life and visual appeal for customers on the shelf.